Hello developers, welcome back to ASP NET and SQL Academy. In today's detailed video, we will explore AJAX, one of the most powerful tools to make your ASP.NET applications more dynamic, interactive and faster. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is not a language, it is a technique that allows a web page to communicate with the server in the background without reloading the whole page. AJAX is used because it saves time. Instead of reloading the entire page, it updates just the part that's changed. This is especially useful in applications like real-time search, live chat, dashboards, or forms. Here is how it works. A user action triggers an AJAX call. JavaScript sends a request to the server using a special object. The server responds with the data, and JavaScript updates the page all in the background. AJAX depends on a few key pieces: JavaScript to send and receive requests, an object like XML HTTP request or the newer Fetch API, and data formats like JSON. It works with any backend including ASP.NET. In ASP.NET Web Forms, Microsoft made it easy to use AJAX using Script Manager and Update Panel. These allow server controls to update part of the page asynchronously. Let us see a quick example. We will place a button and label inside an update panel. When you click the button, the label updates without refreshing the entire page. Here is the code. Notice the script manager and update panel. Any control inside the update panel will behave asynchronously. When you click the button, an AJAX request goes to the server. The server handles the event, returns just the updated part, and the browser patches it into the page. In ASP.NET Core, AJAX is done manually using JavaScript. We use fetch or jQuery.ajax to send a request to controller methods and receive JSON or HTML. Let us now demo an AJAX call in ASP.NET Core. A user submits a form, the JavaScript intercepts it and sends the data to the controller. The response comes back as JSON and updates the page. The controller returns a message as JSON. In jQuery, we send a post request and display the result dynamically without reloading. Use AJAX when you want real-time interaction like filtering data, submitting parts of a form, showing dynamic charts, or making a page feel more like an app. Avoid these common pitfalls. Always handle errors, monitor the console, and avoid overusing AJAX calls. In ASP.NET Core, don't forget to pass the anti-forgery token. To wrap up, AJAX lets you create faster, smoother web apps. Web forms make it easy with the update panel, while Core gives you full control with JavaScript and JSON. In our next video, we will build a real-time search box using AJAX. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP NET and SQL Academy and share this video if you found it helpful.